What's up, world? It's your girl, Miss Misty B, and you know where you at. You're live and direct and in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a quick little way to make all of your wines so much more tasty. Whether you're sipping on white or red, this is a cool way to just add a little bit of flavor and something different to the wine. I'm going to choose Moscato, and we're going to add watermelon, chopped basil, and blueberries. You can use however much you want, depending on the glass, of course, that you're going to have. I'm going to take a masher, mash that on down. My watermelon, my basil, and my blueberries together. Get those flavors all nice and infused. You want to hear those blueberries pop. Just like that. Very simple. That's good. I'm going to simply take that mixture, mix it right on down. Then take your white wine. Look how pretty that is. Woo. Take your blueberries, drop them in. And again, there's no amount. You use as many or as less as you like. I like to add a little bit more basil to the top of mine. You could throw a couple of big chunks of watermelon in. And then just for the garnish, make a little cut in a nice chunk of watermelon. And you put it right there on the side. And just like that, there you have your watermelon, blueberry, basil, infused Moscato. Let's taste. Delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip, and I hope you take a chance to try it for yourself. Until next time, you're in the kitchen with your girl, Miss Misty B.